Hi guys, it's me, Deannie Jones, and I decided to make another video. I had tried to do a video live of me making a face mask. Didn't go out as perfectly as I wanted to, but now I've done a couple of them and I've kind of perfected it. And what I'm going to tell you right now is that you can make a face mask in any different way. The material that we're being asked to use is to use cotton, 100% cotton. Filter is I have an air filter because I have allergies, so this is supposed to stop allergens. My hands are clean and disinfected, and I have my little antibacterial. And I also disinfected my sewing machine, believe it or not. How did I get this piece of material from the the air filter? I'll tell you. I literally took apart an air filter. So I took off the wire. This is the wire, and this is the frame that the air filter is usually in. And of course I haven't thrown that away because I already came up with ideas of what to do with that. I love saving everything, and that's why I have so much stuff. I have such a stash. Anyway, to the style that we're going to use. We're going to use a style that is very similar to the one that a lot of medical people are using, and it also can go over that N95 mask. So they can use an N95 mask multiple times. They can just switch out the fabric mask. This is the style. This is the pattern, basic. This is like, I'm doing everything as you see it. And you should see that it only takes a few moments to do this. So I'm gonna fold the fabric in half. Let's see, right there. Just want to make sure I make the best use of the fabric right there. So one over here, one over here. And it doesn't matter if you have the straight edge one side or another. I'm going to fold it again because you need two sides, one in the front and one in the back, right? But it's 4 pieces all together. Can you see what I'm doing here? Go. I'm not pinning anything, I'm just cutting. Just cut. And the curve on the bottom. Now, the reason this is the preferred mask is because, yes, number one, it can conceal the other mask underneath and make it more long-standing, but also because it's the one that fits most snugly across the face. Okay, so we've cut that. The scraps aside. Now we're going to cut the inside part in the same way. I'm folding the fabric in 2. Now this is going to be a little smaller so that it fits inside the other one. So right here you can see it's already going to be a little smaller. And I'm going to make it a little shorter as well. Let's make sure I got this cut right. All right. I'm going to try to clean all my stuff, to iron it and to disinfect it in some way. Oh, good, you get to see my fat chin. Anyway, again, this is going to be a fast sew. You're just going to sew all the way to the curve. And then you stop there. You're going to sew right sides together. If you've never sewn before, this is the time to start. It's not a very difficult. I'm using a very tight